Okay, so here we are with Mr Benefactor's Harvard 402 MPA, and it turned out to be an absolutely fantastic set with receive at probably less than 0.2 of a microvolt, so it's the best of the best. Changing the ballast resistor for a 6 watt type rather than 3 watt type fitted has given us a full 4 watt output, and we'll see whether Mr Chippie is out there. Tango 21 Mr Chippie test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger, I'll plug my squeaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
I'm now ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger, and I've got no tone control.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
And what temperature did it say on the car today?
2.
You know, we came back from yesterday's test, he said, how that Thunderpole 3000 performed magnificently despite it being -3. We got a comment to just the exact same effect yesterday, after yesterday's video was very clear.
Yeah, well, there you go. I mean, the Midland, we had to leave it on all day and it didn't work properly sometimes, so just goes to show.
We've got 3 of those we need to sell.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
I don't know, lazy lot. Yep, okay.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, that got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, that got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I am on a Harvard 402 MPA belonging to our Mr Benefactor Alan. With a full 4 watt output, it's an incredible receiver, 0.2 microvolt. I'm using my standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that, it's all received.
Roger Dodger.
going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Got a road ahead closed sign, but I'm not sure what that means.
Right, is that on the bit you're on or the bit you're going to be on?
It's, I've gone past it. It must be further up the road. We're all right.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. I'm on this hard-bar 402 MPA and it's going 1.3 amps for 4 output. Could have probably gone to the low power. Not adjustable on these, but it's 300 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we're on 300 milliwatts and the rate is now going 650 milliamps. We'll go back to full power and there we are back on full power over.
Yep, received on both. Bit noisy on low power, but I think the conditions are like that tonight.
Yep, roger on that. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby. And back end, please, over.
Yep, 139.9, 148.9.
Roger on that. Got a comment from a viewer. You always get interference when you go past that petrol station. What causes it? It's a petrol station. So there we go, that's enlightened somebody. That worked a treat. That's it, 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. And have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
At 139.9, 148.9.
Roger, on that, I've got a comment from a viewer. You always get interference when you go past that petrol station. What causes it? It's at the petrol station. So there we go, that's enlightened somebody. That worked a treat. That's it, 10-10.
Yeah, roger that, 10-10.
That worked brilliant. Right, we'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900 with our mic and then with his mic, which is probably identical.
Tango 2115, Alan's Harbour 402 MPL,